4 hours of science facts about space to help you fall asleep. When we gaze up at the night sky, scattered with countless stars, it feels as though we're peering into an infinite ocean of mysteries. Space isn't just silent emptiness, it's a vast book filled with stories about the birth of galaxies, the creation of stars, and even the origins of our own planet. Over the next 4 hours, we'll embark on a journey through this majestic unknown, discovering how the fundamental forces of the universe work, while finding peace in the rhythm of the cosmos. Stars are giant reactors where hydrogen atoms fuse to form helium, releasing staggering amounts of energy. Every atom in your body was once part of a star. This isn't poetry, it's science. Carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, every element heavier than hydrogen and helium was forged in the nuclear furnaces of stars. Take our Sun, for instance. It's been burning hydrogen for 4.6 billion years and will continue for another 4.6 billion before transforming into a red giant. But don't worry, humanity has plenty of time to master interstellar travel before then. Black holes are regions where space and time literally break down. Imagine compressing a star 10 times the mass of our Sun into a sphere the size of a city. That's gravity at its most extreme. Even light cannot escape its pull. But black holes aren't merely cosmic devourers. They play a key role in shaping galaxies. At the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way, lies the supermassive black hole Sagittarius A star. It's 4 million times the mass of the Sun and acts like a conductor, keeping the galaxy's stars in gravitational harmony. Galaxies come in various shapes, spiral, elliptical, and irregular. The Milky Way, our cosmic home, houses more than 100 billion stars. In 4.5 billion years, it will collide with the neighboring Andromeda galaxy, forming a new giant galaxy. Despite the seeming chaos, most stars won't collide. The immense distances between them allow them to pass by like dancers in a celestial waltz. On a larger scale, the universe resembles a web. Galaxies cluster together, forming filaments with vast voids of empty space in between. One of the most immense structures in the universe is the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, a supercluster of galaxies stretching over 10 billion light-years. By comparison, light from the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, takes just 4.24 years to reach us. When reflecting on humanity's place in the universe, it's humbling to consider the scale. If Earth is a dot, our solar system is a home, and our galaxy is a metropolis. Even in this grand cosmic city, we're but a speck. Every time you look at the stars, remember that the light you see has traveled for millions or even billions of years. You're gazing into the past, witnessing the universe as it was long before humans ever existed. Space is a story written with atoms, energy, and time. While we inhabit a tiny corner of this vast expanse, our minds can grasp its immensity. That is humanity's greatness. Wrap yourself in a blanket, close your eyes, and drift into the world of dreams. Let these thoughts of infinite space bring you peace. Each moment of rest is another encounter with the wonder we call the universe. As you close your eyes and let your thoughts drift to the vastness of space, imagine the incredible forces and phenomena at play beyond our tiny corner of the universe. Here are more fascinating science facts to guide you into a peaceful slumber. Every second, our Sun produces as much energy as 1 trillion nuclear bombs. This energy radiates outward, traveling across 150 million kilometers to reach Earth. When it does, it powers life, warms our oceans, and drives weather patterns. Yet, the Sun is just an average star, one among hundreds of billions in the Milky Way. There are stars so massive they make the Sun look like a grain of sand next to a boulder. Take Scuti, for example, a red supergiant so large it could fit over 1,700 suns inside its volume. Moving beyond stars, let's explore the mysterious phenomenon of supernovae. When a massive star reaches the end of its life, it explodes in a supernova, releasing more energy in a few moments than the Sun will emit in its entire lifetime. These cosmic explosions scatter heavy elements like gold and iron into space. Without supernovae, the universe wouldn't have the building blocks for planets, or for us. Every atom of iron in your blood was forged in the fiery heart of an exploding star. Supernova remnants often collapse into neutron stars, objects so dense that a sugar cube-sized piece of their material would weigh as much as a mountain. If the star is massive enough, it might even become a black hole, a region of space where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. Black holes stretch the laws of physics to their limits, creating phenomena like time dilation, where time slows down near the event horizon. The closer you get, the slower time moves, an eerie reminder of how space and time are interconnected. The universe itself, however, isn't static. It's expanding. This discovery, made by Edwin Hubble in the 1920s, revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. Today, we know that the farther away a galaxy is, the faster it's moving away from us. This cosmic expansion is driven by a mysterious force called dark energy, which makes up about 68% of the universe. Dark matter, an equally enigmatic substance, accounts for another 27%, leaving just 5% for everything we can see, touch, and measure. The universe, it seems, is mostly made of things we don't yet understand. Despite its vastness, space is also full of small wonders. Take the Voyager probes, for instance. Launched in the late 1970s, these spacecraft have traveled farther from Earth than any human-made object. They carry golden records with sounds and images from Earth, our way of saying hello to the cosmos. Decades after their launch, they continue to send data back, exploring the outer edges of our solar system and venturing into interstellar space. Think of the planets in our solar system, each unique in its own way. Jupiter, the giant of the solar system, has a storm called the Great Red Spot that's been raging for centuries. Saturn, with its iconic rings, is a masterpiece of celestial geometry. Tiny, icy Pluto, once considered the ninth planet, continues to captivate us with its complex geology and faint, hazy atmosphere. Closer to home, the Moon reminds us of our own cosmic adventures. It's a silent witness to humanity's boldest achievements, including the Apollo missions that first brought humans to its surface. Its craters and ancient lava plains tell the story of billions of years of cosmic impacts, a history written in stone and dust. As your thoughts drift further, remember that even the most distant objects in the universe are connected to us. The atoms in your body were forged in the hearts of stars, scattered by supernovae, and assembled over billions of years into the molecules that make life possible. In a very real sense, you are the universe, contemplating itself. Let this sense of connection bring you peace. The universe is vast and mysterious, yet here you are, a small but integral part of its story. As you drift into sleep, let your dreams carry you to the stars, where the wonders of the cosmos await. Imagine yourself traveling deeper into space, leaving the familiar behind and venturing into realms where the mysteries of the universe unfold with every passing light year. The scale of the cosmos is staggering, and yet it's also deeply personal, a reminder of how interconnected everything truly is. As we move farther out, we encounter exoplanets, worlds that orbit stars beyond our sun. These planets come in all shapes and sizes. Some are rocky and Earth-like, while others are gas giants even more massive than Jupiter. In recent years, astronomers have discovered thousands of exoplanets, and some of them lie in the so-called habitable zone, where conditions might allow liquid water, and possibly life, to exist. Imagine an alien world with two suns, like Tatooine from Star Wars, or a planet completely covered in oceans, teeming with unknown marine life. The diversity of these distant worlds ignites the imagination and expands our understanding of what is possible in the universe. One such fascinating exoplanet is Kepler 452b, often referred to as Earth's cousin. It orbits a star similar to our Sun and lies in the habitable zone. Although it's much larger than Earth, scientists speculate that it could have conditions suitable for life. Every new discovery brings us closer to answering one of humanity's most profound questions: are we alone? As we leave behind the realm of exoplanets, we enter the vast intergalactic space. This is the emptiest region of the cosmos, where galaxies are separated by millions of light-years. Despite the distance, galaxies are not isolated. They interact, sometimes colliding in slow, gravitational dances that take billions of years to unfold. These interactions create breathtaking structures, such as tidal tails of stars or newly formed clusters birthed by the chaos of the collision. One of the most spectacular examples of galactic interaction is the antennae galaxies. These two galaxies are in the midst of a collision, their stars scattering into long, elegant arcs. Despite the violence of these encounters, new stars and planetary systems are born from the debris. It's a cosmic paradox: destruction leads to creation, chaos gives birth to order. The further we travel, the more we approach the edge of the observable universe. Here, we find the cosmic microwave background radiation, the faint glow left over from the Big Bang. This ancient light, over 13.8 billion years old, is a snapshot of the universe when it was just 380,000 years young, a dense, hot soup of particles gradually cooling and expanding. By studying this radiation, scientists have unraveled many secrets of the universe's infancy, including its rapid expansion during the period known as inflation. And what lies beyond the observable universe? This question pushes the boundaries of science and philosophy. The observable universe is limited by the speed of light and the age of the cosmos. Beyond that lies the unknown, perhaps an infinite expanse of galaxies, or perhaps regions with entirely different physical laws. The true scale of the universe may forever elude us, but the pursuit of these answers fuels our curiosity and our drive to explore. As we turn our thoughts back toward Earth, we're reminded of our fragile place in the cosmos. Our planet is a rare gem, a vibrant oasis in an otherwise inhospitable universe. From space, Earth appears as a delicate blue marble, suspended in the void. This perspective, famously captured by the Apollo 17 astronauts in the blue marble photograph, has inspired generations to cherish and protect our only home. Yet, Earth is not isolated from the universe. Every day, small meteorites land on its surface, delivering fragments of asteroids and sometimes even material from other planets or the Moon. These cosmic messengers remind us of our connection to the wider solar system and beyond. Even the water in Earth's oceans may have originated from icy comets that bombarded our planet billions of years ago, delivering the essential ingredient for life. As you drift deeper into sleep, let these thoughts of cosmic interconnectedness fill you with wonder and peace. The universe is vast, but it is also intimately connected to you. Every star, every planet, every particle is part of the same grand story, a story of creation, exploration, and infinite possibility. Close your eyes and imagine the stars continuing their silent dance, galaxies forming and colliding, and the endless rhythm of the cosmos unfolding. Let this thought soothe you. In the grand symphony of the universe, you are both an observer and a participant, a witness to its magnificence and a part of its endless beauty. Sleep well, dream of stars, and know that the universe is with you, always. As you delve deeper into sleep, imagine yourself journeying to the very fabric of the universe, exploring the invisible forces and particles that hold it all together. The cosmos, vast and ancient, is governed by laws and phenomena that are as mysterious as they are elegant. Let's uncover a few more wonders of the universe. Dark matter, though invisible, exerts a powerful gravitational influence on galaxies, acting as the scaffolding upon which they are built. Without dark matter, galaxies would fly apart, unable to hold their billions of stars together. Scientists know it exists because they see its effects, like the way galaxies spin too fast for their visible mass to account for. Yet what dark matter is remains one of the greatest mysteries in physics. Some theories suggest it might consist of yet undiscovered particles, while others speculate it could be a sign of physics beyond our current understanding. Alongside dark matter is dark energy, an even stranger force driving the accelerated expansion of the universe. While galaxies are bound by gravity, the space between them is stretching faster and faster over time. Imagine inflating a balloon, with the galaxies as dots on its surface, moving farther apart as the balloon expands. This phenomenon will one day lead to a universe where distant galaxies are so far away that their light will never reach us, a silent and solitary future for our cosmic neighborhood. But before that distant epoch, there is much left to explore and discover. Consider the extremes of cosmic phenomena, like pulsars, rapidly spinning neutron stars that emit beams of radiation from their magnetic poles. These celestial lighthouses rotate with incredible precision, some completing hundreds of revolutions per second. Pulsars are so reliable that scientists have proposed using them as natural, cosmic clocks, to navigate deep space. Another marvel of the universe lies in the heart of massive stars, nuclear fusion. This process not only powers stars but also forges the elements that make up everything we see. The iron in your blood, the calcium in your bones, and the carbon that forms the backbone of life itself were all created in the hearts of stars. When these stars explode in supernovae, they scatter their enriched guts into space, seeding future generations of stars, planets, and life. The universe is, quite literally, a recycler on a cosmic scale. Now, imagine standing on the surface of a hypothetical exoplanet orbiting a distant star. The sky might be filled with moons, neighboring planets, or even rings larger and brighter than Saturn's. Gravity could feel heavier or lighter, altering the way you move. Perhaps the air would shimmer with an alien hue, and the weather patterns could be driven by two suns rising and setting in tandem. These worlds, though unimaginable to us now, remind us that the universe is a place of boundless creativity. As we think about exploration, we return to the incredible achievements of humanity's own ventures into space. The James Webb Space Telescope, stationed nearly 1.5 million kilometers from Earth, peers deep into the cosmos, capturing light that has traveled for billions of years. Its infrared vision reveals the birthplaces of stars, the atmospheres of distant planets, and even the faint glow of the earliest galaxies. Every image it sends back is a glimpse into the universe's history, a story told by photons that have journeyed across unimaginable distances to reach us. On Earth, observatories like the Atacama Large Millimeter Array in Chile and the LIGO detectors in the United States are unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. LIGO, for instance, detects gravitational waves, ripples in spacetime caused by cataclysmic events like black hole mergers. These waves are a testament to the dynamic nature of the universe, a reminder that even spacetime itself is alive with movement. As you drift further into the embrace of sleep, let your mind wander to the farthest edges of the universe. Imagine galaxies billions of light-years away, where stars are forming, dying, and being reborn in cycles that span eons. Picture the serene void of interstellar space, punctuated by the soft glow of distant suns. In this vast, ever-changing tapestry, you are a momentary spark, a fleeting observer of its grandeur. Feel the comfort of this connection, the knowledge that you are a part of something infinite and extraordinary. As you dream, let your thoughts flow with the rhythm of the cosmos, guided by the eternal dance of stars and galaxies. The universe, in all its magnificence, cradles you in its immensity, inviting you to explore its mysteries even as you rest. Sleep deeply, dream expansively, and awaken with a renewed sense of wonder for the boundless beauty of the cosmos. As you drift further into the depths of slumber, let the wonders of the cosmos weave themselves into your dreams. The universe is a story unfolding across billions of years, a dance of particles, light, and gravity that creates the awe-inspiring reality we observe today. Even as you rest, the cosmos continues its ceaseless motion, offering endless marvels to explore. Consider the concept of cosmic time. If the history of the universe were compressed into a single year, with the Big Bang occurring at midnight on January 1st, then our solar system wouldn't form until early September. Life on Earth would appear in late September, while the dinosaurs would walk the planet only on December 26, humanity's recorded history. A fleeting moment in the final seconds of December 31st. This perspective reminds us of how young we are in cosmic terms, yet how far we've come in our understanding. Let's journey now to the most mysterious and fundamental aspect of the universe, its origin. The Big Bang wasn't an explosion in space, it was the rapid expansion of space itself, from an unimaginably hot and dense state. This expansion continues today, and the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, the cosmic microwave background radiation, still permeates the universe, a whisper from a time when the cosmos was just a baby. After the Big Bang, the universe was dark for hundreds of millions of years, a time known as the Cosmic Dark Ages. During this period, no stars or galaxies existed, only vast clouds of hydrogen and helium. Slowly, under the pull of gravity, these clouds began to clump together, igniting the first stars and ending the darkness. These first stars, massive and short-lived, forged the first heavy elements in their cores, setting the stage for the creation of planets, moons, and eventually life. Think of those first stars as cosmic lighthouses, their light traveling across billions of years to reach us. When you gaze at the night sky, you're looking at the past. The light from distant galaxies began its journey long before Earth even existed. Some of the stars you see might already be gone, their lives extinguished in spectacular supernova explosions, but their light continues to travel, a message from a bygone era. As you dream, picture the boundless creativity of the universe. Imagine star-forming regions like the pillars of creation in the Eagle Nebula, where dense clouds of gas and dust are sculpted by stellar winds, giving birth to new stars. These regions are nurseries of light and life, vast and beautiful in their chaotic complexity. Beyond the stars, there are regions of unimaginable violence, like gamma-ray bursts, the most powerful explosions in the universe. These bursts occur when massive stars collapse into black holes or when neutron stars collide. In just a few seconds, a gamma-ray burst can release more energy than the sun will produce in its entire lifetime. Yet even in this destruction lies creation, as the energy from these events seeds the cosmos with the building blocks of new stars and galaxies. Now imagine traveling to the outer edges of our own solar system, to the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud, regions teeming with icy bodies left over from the formation of the planets. These distant realms are home to comets, which occasionally journey toward the inner solar system, their tails lighting up as they approach the sun. Each comet is a time capsule, a remnant from the early days of the solar system, carrying clues about its birth. Even closer to home, the moon continues to remind us of our connection to the cosmos. Its phases have guided humans for millennia, inspiring art, mythology, and science. The footprints left by the Apollo astronauts remain undisturbed, a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to explore. As your mind drifts into deeper rest, let these images of the universe bring you tranquility. The cosmos, vast and ancient, holds mysteries that inspire awe and wonder. It is a place of infinite possibility, where destruction and creation coexist in perfect balance. You are a part of this grand story, a collection of stardust given consciousness to marvel at the universe's beauty. Sleep now, knowing that the stars above continue their silent dance, their light traveling through time and space to illuminate the darkness. Dream of galaxies spinning like cosmic pinwheels, of nebulae glowing with the colors of life and death, of distant worlds waiting to be discovered. The universe cradles you in its endless expanse, offering the comfort of its eternal rhythm. Rest well, dream deeply, and awaken with the wonder of the cosmos in your heart. Let your imagination carry you now to the most distant realms of existence, places where the boundaries of what we know blur into the unknown. The universe is not static, it evolves, changes, and surprises us with its complexity and beauty. Even as you rest, it pulses with activity, from the smallest quantum interactions to the grandest galactic mergers. At the quantum level, particles dance in and out of existence, governed by probabilities rather than certainties. This is the strange and counterintuitive world of quantum mechanics, where a single particle can exist in multiple states at once until observed, a phenomenon known as superposition. Even stranger is quantum entanglement, where particles separated by vast distances are inexplicably linked, their states affecting each other instantaneously. Einstein famously called this spooky action at a distance, and yet it has been repeatedly confirmed by experiments. These quantum mysteries form the foundation of everything, from atoms to stars, and remind us of the universe's intricacy. On a grander scale, the universe is shaped by the interplay of forces that seem almost poetic in their balance. Gravity, the force that pulls matter together, creates stars, planets, and galaxies. Electromagnetism powers the light we see, the chemical reactions that sustain life, and the technology that connects our world. The strong nuclear force binds the very nuclei of atoms, while the weak nuclear force governs radioactive decay, playing a vital role in the processes that fuel the stars. These forces combine to produce some of the most breathtaking sights in the cosmos. Imagine a nebula, an immense cloud of gas and dust illuminated by nearby stars. The Orion Nebula, visible even to the naked eye, is a stellar nursery where new stars are born. Within its glowing folds lie young, hot stars, their radiation carving intricate patterns into the surrounding gas. Each new star is a beacon of possibility, a potential home for planets, moons, and perhaps even life. Life itself may not be confined to Earth. The building blocks of life, complex organic molecules, have been found in the icy cores of comets, the atmospheres of distant planets, and even interstellar clouds. These discoveries hint that the chemistry of life might be common throughout the cosmos. On moons like Europa and Enceladus, beneath thick layers of ice, oceans of liquid water could harbor microbial life, warmed by the gravitational tugs of their parent planets. Now imagine drifting through the rings of Saturn, those shimmering bands of ice and rock that encircle the gas giant. Each particle in the rings reflects the light of the sun, creating a spectacle of cosmic artistry. Saturn's moons, like Titan and Enceladus, add to the wonder. Titan's thick, orange atmosphere hides lakes of liquid methane, while Enceladus sprays icy plumes into space, carrying traces of organic molecules, clues that tantalize scientists with the possibility of life. As you journey farther, consider the beauty of galactic collisions, where vast star systems pass through one another in slow-motion dances lasting millions of years. Stars rarely collide during these events, but the gravitational chaos sparks the birth of new stars and reshapes the galaxies themselves. One day, our own Milky Way will merge with the Andromeda Galaxy, creating a new cosmic structure. Though this event is billions of years away, its inevitability speaks to the dynamic nature of the universe. Beyond even the galaxies lies the great cosmic horizon, the limit of what we can see. Light from the farthest reaches of the universe has taken billions of years to reach us, and beyond this horizon lies a vast, unseen expanse. Theories suggest that our universe might be just one of many, a single bubble in an infinite multiverse. If true, there could be other realities with different physical laws, other stars, and perhaps even other versions of ourselves. Let these thoughts guide you into the deepest realms of rest. The universe, from the smallest particle to the largest structure, is alive with motion and possibility. It is a story still being written, a symphony with no end. And within this vastness, you are both a participant and an observer, momentary expression of the universe's boundless creativity. Feel the calm of this connection. The same forces that hold galaxies together also bind the atoms in your body. The light from distant stars touches your skin, a reminder that you are a part of this cosmic dance. Sleep deeply now, cradled by the infinite embrace of the universe, and let your dreams carry you to the farthest reaches of imagination. The stars, the galaxies, the endless expanse, they are all within you, waiting to be explored. As you sink even deeper into the tranquility of sleep, let your mind wander to the very edges of comprehension, where science and wonder merge. The universe, infinite in scale and boundless in mystery, continues to unfold its secrets, inviting you to dream of its vastness. Imagine yourself traveling to the event horizon of a black hole, the point of no return where gravity becomes so intense that even light cannot escape. Here, space and time themselves are stretched and warped, creating phenomena that defy our everyday understanding. For an observer far away, time appears to slow down near the event horizon, so much so that if you were to cross it, your final moments would seem frozen in time. Yet for you, the journey would feel instantaneous, plunging into the unknowable. What lies beyond the event horizon? Perhaps the singularity, a point of infinite density, or perhaps a gateway to another universe. These are questions that challenge the very fabric of physics and continue to ignite the imagination. As your thoughts drift, picture the immense structures of the universe, like galaxy clusters and superclusters. These colossal formations are bound together by gravity, creating intricate webs of matter stretching across billions of light-years. The largest known structure, the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, spans over 10 billion light-years, a testament to the universe's astonishing scale. Yet even these massive formations are dwarfed by the vast voids that lie between them, regions of space almost entirely devoid of galaxies and matter. In these voids, the silence of the cosmos is most profound, a reminder of both its emptiness and its beauty. Now, imagine yourself floating in interstellar space, far from any star or planet. Here, the darkness is nearly absolute, illuminated only by the faint glow of distant galaxies. This is a realm of extremes, where temperatures drop to just a few degrees above absolute zero, and particles of gas drift in near-perfect isolation. Despite its apparent stillness, interstellar space is alive with subtle phenomena, the faint hum of electromagnetic waves, the occasional passage of a rogue comet or asteroid, and the soft, relentless pull of gravity from distant objects. Closer to home, the story of our solar system is one of remarkable diversity and resilience. The planets, moons, and asteroids that orbit our sun have endured billions of years of cosmic change. Mercury, scorched by the sun's relentless heat, contrasts with the icy, shadowed craters of the moon and the frigid plains of Pluto. Each world tells a unique story of formation and evolution, shaped by collisions, gravitational forces, and the passage of time. The Earth, our home, is a miracle of balance. Its distance from the sun places it in the Goldilocks zone, where conditions are just right for liquid water and life. The magnetic field shields us from solar radiation, while the moon's gravitational pull stabilizes the planet's tilt, creating the seasons. These delicate balances remind us of how precious and rare our world is in the grand cosmic scheme. As you dream, think of the Voyager spacecraft, humanity's silent emissaries traveling beyond the solar system. Carrying golden records etched with the sounds and images of Earth, they are messages in a cosmic bottle, drifting through interstellar space. Long after we are gone, these tiny spacecraft will continue their journey, carrying a fragment of humanity's story to the stars. Consider, too, the power of light. Every photon that reaches your eyes, whether from the sun or a distant star, has traveled incredible distances to meet you. Light is the universe's messenger, carrying information about distant galaxies, the composition of stars, and the remnants of the Big Bang. When you look at the night sky, you are seeing the universe as it was, its past revealed in the glow of countless stars. Finally, let your thoughts return to the infinite. The universe is not just a place, it is a process, a continuous unfolding of matter, energy, and time. From the quantum foam of the vacuum to the majestic spirals of galaxies, every scale of existence is interconnected. You are a part of this grand symphony, a fleeting but vital note in the melody of the cosmos. Feel the profound calm of knowing that you are connected to something vast and eternal. As you sleep, the stars continue to shine, the galaxies continue to turn, and the universe continues its endless evolution. Rest now, wrapped in the knowledge of your place in this grand and beautiful story. Dream of the stars, the galaxies, and the mysteries that await us all. The cosmos is infinite, and so too are the dreams it inspires. Imagine now that your journey extends beyond the edge of the known universe, into realms where science meets speculation and the imagination soars. What lies beyond the observable universe, beyond the reach of even the fastest light, is one of the greatest mysteries. Theories suggest possibilities as grand as the universe itself, an infinite expanse of galaxies, universes stacked like bubbles in a frothy sea, or entirely different realities governed by unfamiliar physical laws. The multiverse theory proposes that our universe is but one of countless others, each with its own unique properties. In some, the stars might burn blue, or gravity might be stronger or weaker. In others, life may thrive under conditions unimaginable to us. This concept, while speculative, offers a humbling perspective. Our universe, vast as it seems, might be only a small piece of an even grander puzzle. As you drift deeper, picture the final destiny of the cosmos, a question that has fascinated scientists for centuries. The ultimate fate of the universe depends on the delicate interplay of its components, matter, and dark energy. If dark energy continues to drive the accelerated expansion, the universe may face a big freeze, where galaxies grow so distant from one another that starlight no longer reaches across the void, and the cosmos becomes a cold, dark place. Alternatively, Big Crunch could occur if gravity eventually overcomes expansion, pulling everything back into a dense singularity, a mirror of the Big Bang. Or, perhaps the universe cycles endlessly, with each Big Bang followed by a Big Crunch, like an eternal cosmic heartbeat. Another possibility is the Big Rip, where dark energy becomes so dominant that it tears apart galaxies, stars, and even atoms themselves. Though billions of years away, these scenarios remind us of the transitory nature of everything, even the cosmos itself. Yet within this impermanence lies beauty, for every moment is precious precisely because it is fleeting. Even as the universe ages, there is hope in the persistence of creation. Black holes, often seen as symbols of destruction, may in fact play a role in cosmic rebirth. Some theories suggest they could connect different parts of spacetime or even seed the formation of new universes. If this is true, then even the end of one universe could mark the beginning of another. As you continue to dream, let your thoughts turn to the enduring mysteries that drive human curiosity. Why does the universe exist at all? What was there before the Big Bang? These questions challenge the limits of human understanding, yet they inspire us to look outward and inward, to seek meaning in the vastness of space and within ourselves. The universe, despite its immensity, reflects in many ways the intricacies of life. Just as galaxies are bound by gravity, so too are human lives bound by connections, between individuals, families, and communities. The same forces that govern the cosmos, the pull of gravity, the energy of fusion, exist in the bonds we form and the warmth we share. In this way, the universe is not just out there, it is within us. Picture now the stars as they might appear from another world. Imagine skies filled not just with constellations but with rings of distant planets, the glowing auroras of alien atmospheres, and the radiant light of a binary star system. Every world is a story waiting to be told, every star a beacon of possibility. Perhaps one day, humanity will set foot on those distant worlds, leaving footprints in alien sands and writing new chapters in the story of the cosmos. As you rest, let the steady rhythm of the universe soothe you. The pulsing of stars, the orbits of planets, the gentle drift of galaxies, these cosmic movements are like a lullaby sung by the universe itself. You are cradled by forces that have existed for billions of years, by the same elements that forged the first stars and will continue to create for eons to come. Dream now of the infinite. Dream of stars being born in nebulae of color and light, of planets spinning in harmony around distant suns, of the quiet beauty of a galaxy viewed from afar. The universe, in all its vastness, is not just a place of discovery, it is a source of inspiration, a reminder that even the smallest speck of existence is part of a boundless and interconnected whole. Sleep peacefully, knowing that the universe watches over you, timeless and eternal. Let its mysteries and wonders carry you through the night, filling your dreams with light and possibility. And as you awaken, carry with you the awe and tranquility of the cosmos, ready to explore another day in this extraordinary universe. As you drift further into the comforting embrace of sleep, imagine your consciousness expanding outward, gently touching the edges of what is known and then reaching beyond. The universe, in all its vastness, is not a distant and unreachable expanse, it is a part of you, woven into your very being. Each atom in your body, forged in the heart of ancient stars, connects you to the cosmos. Picture now the quiet majesty of a galaxy billions of light-years away. From this unfathomable distance, even the brightest stars merge into a diffuse, glowing haze. Within that galaxy, countless suns burn, each with its own retinue of planets, moons, and asteroids. Somewhere among those stars, perhaps life stirs, alien and unfamiliar, yet subject to the same cosmic principles that govern life on Earth. Closer to home, the planets of our own solar system continue their eternal orbits, each unique in its character. Mercury, battered and cratered, tells a story of cosmic violence and resilience. Venus, shrouded in clouds of sulfuric acid, is a vision of beauty and peril. Mars, with its rust-red deserts and whisper-thin atmosphere, holds tantalizing clues to a wetter, potentially habitable past. And then there's Jupiter, a gas giant whose storms rage with a ferocity that dwarfs anything on Earth, its great red spot a centuries-old tempest. Saturn's rings, delicate and intricate, circle their planet like a cosmic halo, while its moon Titan harbors lakes of liquid methane under an orange sky. Uranus and Neptune, with their ethereal blue hues, stand as icy sentinels at the edge of the solar system, their atmospheres rich with mysteries yet to be unraveled. Beyond them lies the Kuiper Belt, a frozen frontier of icy worlds and dwarf planets like Pluto, and farther still, the Oort cloud, a vast, spherical shell of comets, barely tethered by the sun's gravity. It is from these remote regions that long-period comets begin their slow, graceful journeys toward the inner solar system, bringing with them secrets from the dawn of our planetary neighborhood. As you continue your journey in sleep, let your mind ponder the cycles of creation and destruction that shape the cosmos. Stars are born in the swirling chaos of nebulae, live for millions or billions of years, and then end their lives in spectacular supernovae or quiet fades into white dwarfs. In their deaths, they leave behind the raw materials for new stars, planets, and even life itself. This cycle, repeated countless times across billions of years, is a reminder that endings are never truly final in the universe, they are simply beginnings in disguise. Now imagine time itself as a river, flowing inexorably forward, yet shaped by the bends and twists of relativity. Near massive objects like black holes, time slows, creating ripples that can stretch or compress the fabric of space. These ripples, gravitational waves, were first detected by humanity only recently, yet they had been moving through the cosmos for billions of years. They are the echoes of cosmic events so vast and violent that they defy comprehension, colliding black holes, merging neutron stars, the very breath of the universe itself. Let your thoughts drift to the distant future of the cosmos. Stars will exhaust their fuel, galaxies will grow dim, and the universe may become a quiet, cold expanse. Yet even in this seemingly somber destiny lies a profound truth: the story of the cosmos is not just about light and energy but also about transformation and endurance. In the endless vastness, new phenomena may emerge, new forms of existence that we cannot yet imagine. As you rest, remember that you are part of this story, a living thread in the grand tapestry of the universe. The atoms that compose you have traveled across eons, through the hearts of stars and the vastness of interstellar space, to become the unique being you are. Your thoughts, your dreams, your very essence are a reflection of the cosmos's boundless creativity. Sleep now, and let the rhythm of the universe guide you. Feel the gentle pulse of stars being born, the quiet hum of galaxies turning, the soft glow of light traveling through the infinite dark. In the embrace of the cosmos, there is no hurry, no end, only the eternal unfolding of possibility. Rest deeply, dream expansively, and awaken with the quiet knowledge that you are, and always will be, a part of something infinite and extraordinary. As you descend even deeper into the peaceful rhythm of the universe, imagine yourself drifting through the boundless darkness of interstellar space, weightless and serene. The vastness of the cosmos stretches endlessly in every direction, yet it feels comforting, not overwhelming, a reminder that you are part of something grand, timeless, and endlessly mysterious. Far beyond the planets, where the sun is just a faint point of light, the Voyager spacecraft continue their solitary journeys. Imagine riding along with them, crossing the threshold into interstellar space. These tiny explorers, carrying the golden records etched with humanity's greetings and music, are messages of hope and curiosity, symbols of our longing to connect with the unknown. Even as they drift farther into the abyss, their faint signals continue to reach Earth, a whisper from the edges of the solar system. The emptiness of space is not truly empty. It is filled with a tenuous ocean of particles, electromagnetic waves, and gravitational ripples. In this vast void, stars form, burn brightly, and eventually fade, leaving behind remnants that shape the universe in profound ways. White dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes, these stellar corpses are not the end of a star's story but the beginning of a new chapter in the cosmos. Consider the enigmatic beauty of neutron stars. These incredibly dense objects, formed from the collapsed cores of massive stars, pack more mass than the Sun into a sphere only about 20 kilometers across. Their magnetic fields are unimaginably powerful, and their rapid rotation produces beams of radiation that sweep through space like cosmic lighthouses. Known as pulsars, these spinning stars pulse with such precision that they can rival atomic clocks, marking time across the vastness of the cosmos. Let your mind wander to the mysterious dark matter and dark energy that dominate the universe. Though invisible and undetectable by ordinary means, they shape the structure and destiny of the cosmos. Dark matter forms the unseen scaffolding of galaxies, while dark energy drives the accelerating expansion of the universe. Together, they make up 95% of the universe, leaving only 5% for everything we can see: stars, planets, and the atoms that compose our bodies. This humbling realization reminds us that the universe is far greater and more mysterious than we can currently comprehend. Imagine now the light of the first stars, which illuminated the universe after the cosmic dark ages. These ancient stars, massive and short-lived, burned with incredible brightness, forging the first heavy elements in their cores. When they exploded as supernovae, they seeded the cosmos with the building blocks of planets, moons, and life. From their fiery deaths came the materials that would one day form you, a profound connection to the earliest moments of the universe's history. As you drift through these thoughts, picture the stunning beauty of nebulae, vast clouds of gas and dust that serve as the birthplaces of stars. The Eagle Nebula's pillars of creation, the Horsehead Nebula, and the Orion Nebula are just a few examples of these cosmic masterpieces, their colors and shapes sculpted by the winds and radiation of young stars. These regions of creation remind us that the universe is not static but alive with motion, change, and endless potential. Farther out, beyond the Milky Way, lie countless other galaxies, each a swirling city of stars. Spiral galaxies like Andromeda and elliptical galaxies like M87 are home to billions of suns, each with its own story. Some galaxies collide, merging in cosmic dances that last billions of years, while others remain solitary, drifting quietly through space. Together, they form the cosmic web, a vast network of filaments and voids that stretches across the observable universe. As your thoughts settle into the gentle rhythm of the cosmos, let yourself feel the profound stillness and infinite motion that define the universe. You are cradled by the same forces that guide the stars and galaxies, a part of the grand symphony of existence. The light from distant stars travels billions of years to reach us, yet it also connects us, reminding us that we are all made of the same stardust. Rest now, and let the mysteries of the universe carry you deeper into sleep. Dream of stars glowing softly in the infinite darkness, of galaxies spinning gracefully in the void, of planets orbiting suns in silent harmony. The universe, vast and eternal, is both your home and your companion, a source of wonder that will continue to inspire and comfort for all time. Sleep deeply, dream boldly, and awaken with the knowledge that you are a part of something infinite and extraordinary. As your mind gently drifts through the universe, imagine yourself gliding into the heart of a distant galaxy. The glow of billions of stars surrounds you, their combined light creating an ethereal tapestry of brilliance. Some of these stars are young and vibrant, burning with intense heat and radiating a dazzling blue-white light. Others are ancient, cooler, and redder, their fires slowly dimming after billions of years of existence. In the galaxy's core, you find a supermassive black hole, a gravitational giant millions, or even billions, of times the mass of the sun. Stars spiral around it, their motions dictated by its immense pull. Although the black hole itself emits no light, the matter swirling toward it forms an accretion disk that shines brightly, hotter than the surfaces of stars. This paradox of light and darkness, creation and destruction, is one of the most profound phenomena in the universe. Imagine now moving beyond the galactic core, out toward its edges, where the stars grow sparser and space becomes quieter. Here, you find globular clusters, dense spheres of ancient stars bound together by gravity. These clusters are some of the oldest structures in the universe, their stars forming when the cosmos was still young. Gazing into their dense centers is like peering back in time, to an era when the universe was just beginning to take shape. Beyond the edges of the galaxy lies the intergalactic medium, an almost incomprehensibly vast space that stretches between galaxies. Though seemingly empty, this region is filled with a faint gas that is the remnant of the early universe. Occasionally, you might encounter a rogue star, a star that has been ejected from its galaxy and now drifts alone through the darkness. These solitary travelers remind us that even in the emptiest regions of space, there is light. As you continue your journey, imagine encountering a quasar, a galaxy whose supermassive black hole is devouring matter at an extraordinary rate, producing jets of energy that shine brighter than the combined light of 1,000 galaxies. Quasars are beacons from the distant past, their light traveling billions of years to reach us. They reveal a universe far younger, more chaotic, and brimming with raw power. Let your thoughts wander to the edges of the observable universe, where the light from the first galaxies flickers faintly. These galaxies are small and irregular, their stars forming in bursts as gravity pulls together the primordial gas left over from the Big Bang. These ancient structures are the building blocks of the larger, more complex galaxies that fill the universe today. Their light has traveled for over 13 billion years to reach us, offering a glimpse into the universe's earliest days. Beyond this horizon lies the unobservable, regions of the universe so distant that their light has not yet had time to reach us. What exists in these unseen realms? Perhaps other galaxies, teeming with stars and planets, or perhaps the edges of the universe itself, where space and time curve back upon themselves. These questions are a reminder that the universe is far greater than we can perceive, its mysteries stretching endlessly beyond our grasp. As your journey brings you back toward familiar space, let your thoughts rest on the remarkable beauty of our own galaxy, the Milky Way. Imagine standing on a quiet hillside at night, looking up to see its glowing band stretching across the sky. Each point of light is a star, and beyond them lie countless more, their light too faint to see but adding to the collective glow. The Milky Way is our home, a vast spiral of stars, planets, and nebulae, all bound together by gravity. Feel the comfort of this connection, that you are part of this galaxy, this universe, this endless story of creation and exploration. Every particle of your being has traveled through time and space, forming and reforming as the universe evolved. You are the product of stars that lived and died, of elements that crossed light years to become you. Sleep now, cradled by the infinite. Let your dreams take you to the stars, to galaxies, to the edges of the universe and beyond. The cosmos is a symphony of light, energy, and time, and you are one with its rhythm. Rest deeply, dream widely, and awaken with a renewed sense of wonder for the universe and your place within it. As you sink further into the serenity of sleep, let your mind explore the infinite possibilities hidden within the fabric of the universe. Picture yourself floating gently through the vast expanse, carried along by cosmic winds, surrounded by the quiet hum of the cosmos. The journey takes you now to the mysterious world of star nurseries, regions of space where new stars are born. These stellar nurseries, like the Orion Nebula or the Carina Nebula, are colossal clouds of gas and dust, stretching across light years. Within them, gravity works its magic, pulling material together into dense knots. These knots grow hotter and brighter, until finally, nuclear fusion ignites, and a new star is born. The light of these young stars illuminates the surrounding gas, creating some of the most breathtakingly beautiful sights in the universe. Picture yourself drifting through one of these nurseries. The colors are otherworldly, vivid reds and purples from ionized hydrogen, glowing greens from oxygen. Pillars of dark dust stretch like towers, silhouetted against the bright backdrop. Around you, new stars blink into existence, their light and heat pushing away the gas that birthed them. It is a place of creation, a reminder that even in the vast emptiness of space, life and energy find a way to emerge. From these nurseries, the stars that form will lead vastly different lives. Small, cool red dwarfs can burn for trillions of years, their light steady and enduring. Larger stars, like our Sun, have shorter but more dynamic lives, burning brightly before expanding into red giants and then shedding their outer layers to form planetary nebulae. The most massive stars live fast and end spectacularly, exploding as supernovae and leaving behind neutron stars or black holes. As you dream, imagine standing on a distant planet orbiting a star in its twilight years. The sky is dominated by the star's fiery glow, its outer layers expanding and cooling as it transforms into a red giant. The light bathes the landscape in a warm, otherworldly hue. Nearby, a small moon reflects the star's light, its surface scarred by craters from ancient collisions. The air is still, the silence profound, a moment of cosmic stillness as the star approaches the final stages of its life. Your journey continues beyond the stars, to the great galactic highways of the universe, the cosmic web. This structure, invisible to the naked eye, is composed of filaments of dark matter and gas, connecting galaxies like beads on a string. These filaments stretch across billions of light-years, creating a lattice of unimaginable scale. Between them lie immense voids, vast, nearly empty regions where the density of matter is astonishingly low. Imagine traveling along one of these filaments, passing clusters of galaxies bound together by gravity. Each galaxy is a miniature universe in itself, home to billions of stars and, potentially, countless planets. In these clusters, galaxies interact and collide, their shapes distorted by tidal forces. Gas clouds collide and compress, triggering bursts of star formation, while supermassive black holes in their centers consume material, emitting powerful jets of energy. As you drift through the cosmic web, you begin to sense the rhythm of the universe. Stars form and die, galaxies collide and merge, and the web itself evolves over billions of years. Even the smallest particles, quarks and electrons, play their part in this grand symphony, governed by the fundamental forces that shape reality. Finally, let your thoughts return to the origin of it all, the Big Bang. In the beginning, the universe was a singularity, an unimaginably small, dense, and hot point. Then, in a fraction of a second, it expanded, creating space, time, and the seeds of everything that would come to be. The cosmic microwave background, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, still fills the universe, a relic of that first moment of creation. This light, older than any star or galaxy, is a message from the universe's infancy. By studying it, scientists have unraveled the history of the cosmos, from the formation of the first atoms to the birth of galaxies. It is a reminder of how far we have come in our understanding and how much there still is to learn. As you sleep, let the universe cradle you in its infinite arms. Feel the gentle pull of gravity, the warmth of starlight, and the soft hum of cosmic vibrations. You are not separate from this vastness, you are an integral part of it, a child of the stars, born from the same elements that shape the galaxies. Rest now, and let your dreams carry you to the farthest reaches of existence. The universe is vast, but it is also within you. Sleep deeply, dream boldly, and awaken with the quiet knowledge that you are a part of this endless, extraordinary story. As the journey through the universe draws to a close, let the boundless wonders of the cosmos settle gently in your mind, like the light of distant stars reaching Earth after billions of years. The universe, in all its vastness and mystery, offers us not only questions to explore but also answers that bring peace and perspective. It is a reminder of how extraordinary it is to exist, to think, and to marvel at the infinite. The light from stars long extinguished still shines, and galaxies too distant to reach fill the void with their beauty. Every atom within you is a relic of cosmic creation, every breath you take a rhythm that mirrors the pulse of the universe. Though you are small in the face of the cosmos, you are not insignificant. You are a part of this grand story, a witness to its majesty and a participant in its unfolding. Rest now with the knowledge that you are connected to all that exists. From the smallest quantum particle to the largest galactic supercluster, the universe flows through you, shaping and sustaining your very being. As you drift deeper into sleep, let the stars, the galaxies, and the infinite expanse cradle you with their timeless serenity. Dream of endless horizons, of starlit skies, of worlds yet to be discovered. The universe is infinite in its capacity to inspire, and as long as there are minds to wonder and hearts to dream, its story will never end. Sleep well, knowing that you are a vital note in the symphony of existence, a spark in the eternal brilliance of the cosmos.